So guys, download driver HP255G7. So open any browsers to Google search box to type like that, and guys go to this URL support.hp.com. Right click to new tab, and then guys select Windows 10. If you are using Windows 11, so no worry, you just select driver download of Windows 10 and then install in Windows 11, so it will install. Okay, slow down. We can see here the all driver. So first BIOS. So you can see here the HP Notepad BIOS update AMD processor. We just click to download it. Start here downloading, wait few seconds, it complete. So it is downloaded, and then click to for ready, install, then click to yes, then next, I accept, then next, again next. Now this is installed and this is extracting. After that guys, restart your system. Thank you. So this is a SFC scanner. So how to run? This is command. I will give you this command in the video descriptions. So open CMD, click to start and type CMD. Right click to run as administrator. Then yes. So this is first command. Okay. Copy and paste. If guys it is not copy paste, so you can type manually. Okay. So step by step, one by one, enter the command. This is first, second, third, fourth. Then second, then third. Then last.